तो जब पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा कि भाई जो अमीन का नॉमेनक्लेचर की बात हम कर रहे हैं, तो जब आप अमीन की नॉमेनक्लेचर की बात किए, यहां देखिए इसका नाम ये हो गया प्रोपान 1 अमाइन, यहां हो गया ये प्रोपान 2 अमाइन। लेकिन जब इसकी बात आप कर रहे हो तो इस केस में आप देखेंगे जो अमीनो ग्रुप जो है आपका वो दूसरे कार्बन पे है इस साइड से करने से, लेकिन इधर से कीजिएगा इट विल बी ऑन 4th कार्बन। कहता है भाई इसका नाम क्या होगा, इसका नाम हो गया आपको 1 2 3 4 5। सो द IUPAC नेम इज योर पेंटान 2 अमाइन। अब देखिए इसी पेंटान 2 अमाइन से ना हम 4-5 एग्जाम्पल बना लें। द क्वेश्चन इज हाउ। लेट अस सपोज दिस इज योर पेंटान 2 amine. Now you just put a double bond. कहीं भी double bond put करिए. So the next is your CH3. Suppose it is CH double bond CH. If you put a double bond between these two carbon, there will be no hydrogen. So it is CH3 CH double bond CH. Then we have CH NH2 and then we have CH3. So since amino group is your functional group, so priority must be given to the functional group. Priority देना हमको functional group को. So it is 1 2 3 4 5. Now it is not pentanamine, it is your pentinamine. अब ये pentanamine नहीं हुआ, ये क्या हो गया आपको pentinamine हो गया. So the name is your pent 3-in-2 amine. It is your pent 3-in-2 amine. अब क्या करिए, डबल बॉन्ड का पोजीशन शिफ्ट कर दीजिए. सपोज इफ डबल बॉन्ड इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस पोजीशन, then the name of the compound will be pent 4-in-2 amine. Now let us suppose if we write CH3 CH double bond C, H को रिप्लेस करिए by NH2 and then it is CH2 CH3. Now what will be the name? Now in this case this amino group is on 3rd carbon from this side and again amino group is on 3rd carbon from this side. दोनों साइड से your amino group is on 3rd carbon. तब क्या करेंगे, अब हम डबल बॉन्ड के पोजीशन को देखेंगे बिकॉज फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड your amino group is on 3rd carbon. Now we have to count from this side 1 2 3 4 5, क्योंकि इस साइड से यदि आप नॉमेनक्लेचर करोगे then it is 1 2 3 and 4. Double bond is between 3 and 4. However, amino is on 3rd from both sides. That's why we are considering double bond. अगर अमीनो डिस्टेंस में चला जाता तो हम डबल बॉन्ड को कंसीडर नहीं करते. डबल बॉन्ड को इसलिए कंसीडर कर रहे हैं बिकॉज फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड अमीनो इज ऑन 3rd कार्बन. सो व्हाट विल बी द नेम? द नेम इज योर पेंट 2-in-3 amine. It is your pent 2-in-3 amine. Now let us suppose if we place some side chain, methyl group or nitro group or chloro or bromo. For example, CH3, CH, NH2, CH, double bond CH, say CHBr and CH3. Naturally we have to count from this side because amino is your functional group. Now this is carbon 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. अब आप देखिए साइड चेन को पहले लिखेंगे. So it will be your 5 bromo, 6 carbon, 5 bromo hex, not hexanamide, it is your hexenamide. So it is 5 bromo hex, then we have 3-in, then we have 2 amine. So it is your 5 bromo hex 3 into amine. Now, if we have, suppose if we have a compound of this type, CH3 whole to NH. Somebody asks you, write the IUPAC name of this compound. तब क्या करेंगे? कहता है पहले आप नाइट्रोजन लिखें, then it is hydrogen. See, this is methyl, this is methyl. We cannot write like this, CH3NH. Sorry, this is wrong. Why wrong? Because this carbon becomes your pentavalent. You know, my dear students, the valency of carbon is 4. Carbon is tetravalent. That's why this is the formula. Now suppose if it is not methyl group. Suppose if it is not methyl group, if it is simply hydrogen, one carbon amine, then the IUPAC name is your methanamine. Now what happens actually in methanamine? There is one methyl group. In this methanamine, there is one methyl group. If this methyl group is attached to carbon chain, suppose if this methyl group attached to carbon chain like this, if this methyl group attached to carbon chain, then we number at position 2, position 3, position 4. But as the methyl group is attached to nitrogen, so actually we write N-methyl, means this methyl group is not attached to carbon, rather it is attached to your nitrogen, and then the IUPAC name becomes N-methyl and methanamine. It is your N-methyl methanamine. Similarly, if we have a compound like this type, CH3 whole 3N, then what will be the IUPAC name? Again same situation. Again one of the hydrogen is replaced by CH3. Now somebody may ask you, can we say propanamide? Can we say propanamide? For example, this is carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3. आप कहेंगे इसको प्रोपानामाइन नहीं कहेंगे. Why? Because we always count carbon chain. There should not be any hetero element in between carbon. There is nitrogen in between carbon. There is nitrogen in between these two carbon. So we have only one carbon amine, and basically these two are your side chain. So this methyl is your side chain. Again this methyl is your side chain. Both are attached to your nitrogen. So it is one carbon amine in which both methyl are attached to nitrogen. That's why it is your N, that is NN dimethyl methanamine. It is your NN dimethyl methanamine. Let us suppose one more example. If we have compound of this type, CH3, CH2, NH, CH3. Now what we have to do? This is CH3, this is CH2, this is NH, this is CH3. Now select the longest possible chain. आपको longest possible chain लेना है. कैसे लेंगे? From this side only one carbon chain, from this side two carbon chain. इधर से करेंगे तो दो कार्बन का चेन बनेगा. तो जब दो कार्बन का चेन बना, so this is your chain. Now what is this? This methyl is behave as your side chain which is attached to nitrogen. So two carbon amine is your ethanamine. Amine of two carbon is your ethanamine. So its IUPAC name is your N-methyl ethanamine. So its IUPAC name is your N-methyl ethanamine. Now The next functional group one more example you observe. If amino group is twice, then it will be your diamine. For example, CH2NH2, CH2NH2. See, there are two carbon. This is one, this is two. So two carbon means ethane. So it is your ethane 1,2 diamine. It is your ethane 1,2 diamine. Because if we have a compound like this, CH3CH, NH2 and NH2. Now in this example, both the amino group is attached to same carbon. तब आप इसको करोगे 1, इसको 2, इसका नाम हो जाएगा UPSC. It is ethane 1,1 diamine. So see the difference. It is ethane 1,2 diamine. It is your ethane 1,1 diamine. Now the next functional group is your ketone. The next functional group is your ketone. It is also a non-terminal functional group because it is always placed in between alkyl. That's why you know ketone we write RCOR. And in IUPAC, your ketone is named as alkanol. So the root word is your alkane and we use the suffix on or alkane ka last T must be dropped. So alkane plus on it is your alkanol. Let us consider one simple example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CO, CH3. Now naturally we have to count from this side so that the ketonic group should be placed at lowest carbon. If we count from this side, ketonic group is on second. If we count from this side, the ketonic group will be on 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 wrong ho gaya. 4 means wrong, 2 means right. So its IUPAC name is your pentan-2-on. The correct IUPAC name is your pentan-2. Similarly, if we shift this ketonic group, to this carbon, naturally the IUPAC name will change. अब इसका IUPAC नाम चेंज हो गया, क्या लिखेंगे भाई? Then it will be your pentan-3-on. So this is pentan-2-on, this is pentan-3-on. If somebody asks you, write the structure of pentan-4-on, then there will be no such pentan-4-on. In pentan-on, there will be either pentan-2-on or pentan-3-on. Now you put some multiple bond. For example, if we have CH2, double bond CH, CH2, CO, CH3. Now in this compound, we have functional group, that is ketone, and we have a double bond. But dear students, priority should be given to functional group. So ketones should be placed at lowest possible position. So we have to count from this side. So it is not pentanone, it is pentanone. But you have to give the position of in and you have to give the position of on. That is ketone. So the IUPAC name is your pen-4-in-2-on. Why 4-in? Because the double bond is in between 4 and 5. So it is your pen-4-in-2-on. अब सपोज करिए ये आपको pentan-3-on है, ठीक है? Now if you place a double bond or a triple bond, suppose if we place a triple bond at this position, if we place a triple bond, because I have so many given examples particularly for double bond containing compound, so better to consider a triple bond containing compound. So it has ketonic functional group with the triple. Now ketonic functional group is on third carbon from both sides. इधर से भी थर्ड पे, उधर से भी थर्ड पे. नाउ यू मे कंसीडर ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. So naturally we have to count from this side. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now its name will be paint 1 wine 3 on, because it is wine plus YNE plus on. तो इस Y and E का जो E है वो आपको ड्रॉप हो जाएगा. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now if this ketonic group is appearing twice in the carbon chain, suppose this ketonic group is appearing twice in your carbon chain. So if it is twice, then we write dione. On for suffix of ketone and di for, because it is occurring twice in your carbon chain. For example, if we have CH3, CO, CO, CH2 and CH3. This is a ketone in which the ketonic group is appearing twice. So it is diketone with 5 carbon. तो ये तो निश्चित है कि ये पेंटानोन नहीं है, ये पेंटेन डायोन है. It is a dione. But we have to see the set of locant. We have to see the set of locant. Now what is the meaning of set of locant? Means we have to see the position of ketonic group. We should count in such a way that their position should occur at lowest possible carbon. So if we count from this side, it is 2 and 3, it is down 2 and 3, 4 and 5. But if we count from this side, suppose, then it is 1, then it is 2, then it is 3, then it is 4, then it is 5. So it is on 3 and 4. But if we count from this side, it is on 2 and 3. So this is right, this is wrong. Now what will be the name of this compound? Now it is pentane dione. So the IUPAC name is your pentane 2,3 dione. It is pentane, not pentan, because this letter D is not a vowel, it is a consonant. It is a consonant. So it is your pentane 2,3 dione. Now let us consider the nomenclature of compound containing one functional group, and that is your terminal functional group. Terminal functional group. So terminal functional group, they are terminal functional group, they are your aldehyde. You know, this terminal functional group, they are your aldehyde, carboxylic acid, we have acid amide, we have acid halide or acyl halide, we have cyanide, and we have ester. So these are your terminal functional group. Terminal functional group are those functional group which mainly start with carbon, except ketone. एक कीटोन ही ऐसा है जिसमें कार्बन है लेकिन वो टर्मिनल कभी नहीं होता, हमेशा बीच में होता है. अब कहता ऐसे कंपाउंड का नाम कैसे करेंगे? So this we will discuss mainly in your next video lecture. Thank you.